Vibrant opposition activists and pro-nelsonchamisa activists, Pasho Sivanda, advises opposition members to distance themselves from Zanu PF infighting. Sambira mashikobuda pana patuna kuti aiwa vanhu veopposition vonzi zvisiyane zvitongane ikokoko dzitungane dzirwe dzite zvadziri kuita siya zvakadaro vanhu opposition musambopindira musabatira kuti subscribe like on the bell kuti ndapaenda pasho Sivanda panodanyogwa pachinzi the regime in Harare hijacks the opposition like Dimbare funds, hijacking a boss of victory celebration. Not stopping there, they go ahead and craft their own fake opposition, give it a yellow jersey. Nelly, tired of playing in a rigged match, steps off the pitch, but when their new team gets thrashed 5-0, they turn around and blame Nelly for not coaching them. Meanwhile, a faction within the ruling elite starts feeling sidelined, like a benched player who suddenly remembers the referee's rule. After years of ignoring fouls, they now scream, Zimbabweans, the captain is breaking the rules, let's remove him. When really, they just want to be the new captain and take control of the game. They try to rally supporters for a pitch invasion, but the stadium is half empty. The referee blows the final whistle, and the plan flops harder than the Warriors at Afcon. And guess what? It's Nelly's fault. At this rate, if Kepe loses a friendly, they will say Nelly was a goalkeeper. Ndio mashoko awakatoka panapa na Pasho Sivanda in riddles. Ava vanzwisisa vanyasa kunzwisisa kuti panapa the blame irungupo advocate nelsonchamisa. Every mistake yaitwa the ruling party Zanu PF vanenge vachingoblema nelsonchamisa, vakauya vakadestroy his opposition. Nelsonchamisa akabuda akati chiitai tione, vanongofeila again. Kuonekwa kunzi pane mamwe mavoices avakuraiza from their own team, from their own party, but now the blame again inopo advocate nelsonchamisa. Ndo mashwaro panapa chitogwa na Pasho Sivanda achiti aiwa opposition, aiwa distance zvenyu yourselves, ndoda kuti mungatoitiswa these guys, regai varwe tione kuti achakuda mumwe ndiani. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechituko ichi kuna comment section medu, tudze mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, so on the bell icon.